Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm back with another recipe video, and today I'm posting a recipe that I tried out, which is Thai peanut chicken salad. And when I was making it, like when I read the recipes, I was like, okay, this looks good and stuff. And I was making it. Then when I was making the dressing, I kind of felt a bit worried. Like I was like, Ish, I really hope this Greek yogurt dressing is gonna come out good with the peanut butter, because I love peanut butter, but sometimes I get worried that it's gonna be too sweet for the recipe, or like it's just not gonna have the flavor that I want. So when I was making it, I was tasting it, I was like, okay, not too bad. But then when I mixed everything together, it just came out tasting so good. And I've literally been eating the salad all day for lunch. It's one of those salads that you can use in tortillas, you can use them in different recipes or put them in wraps, which is amazing. So I loved it. And instead of putting my chicken in like a slow cooker or something, I just fried it basically. Like I just put it in with a bit of oil, a bit of water, some garlic, soy sauce, yeah, that's about it. Literally, that's all I put. Fried the meat until it was ready, because I just felt like putting it, I don't have a slow cooker, number one. Number two, it was just gonna be a quicker way of doing it, and it came out just tasting as good. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you try the recipe out, let me know how it goes, and I will catch you at my next video.